This is Nicholas Holmes with Enhancement 7. First, I'm going to show my admin page. So I will log in as a level 3 user. It shows me logged in. It doesn't show the level anymore. It shows the account and inventory. If I go to account management, it pulls my information. If I try to update it without changing anything, I get the message as shown in the video. At first I had it redirecting to just the admin page to the client update page and displaying this message. That's how I read it in the instructions in the enhancement, but the video demonstration showed it to staying on this page and giving the user the opportunity to change information. So here, if I stay on this page and I update it, it does go grab the information from the session and updates it. If I try to change the email address to something else that exists, I also get the message staying on this page instead of taking me back the page. And I'll go ahead and demonstrate changing the password. I'm actually going to change it for a different user. I'm going to change it for a level 1 user, Sally Jones. You can see it took it. It's prompted me to update the password that I have saved in there. I will log out. If I try logging in with the saved password, you see that it fails. So I will type in what I just changed it to, and it takes me in. We can see that it's hashing it. So if you look here, as soon as I refresh the clients table, you'll see that hash will change, and it changed. And now I'm going to show that it's valid. I'll go ahead and sign in as a level 3. So that way it has everything loaded in it, possibly. I'm going to validate the local CSS on my client update page. That is successful. I'm going to validate the HTML on my client update page, and that passes as well. So I've shown my admin page that it shows the links for the different user levels, to the account management, to the account management, to the vehicle management pages. I showed the client update page is valid HTML and CSS. I showed that the account update process works by changing names. And I tried, let me sign in as another user, test@testing.com. And I'm going to change their email to test@awesome.com. And you see that it updated there. So test@testing.com says I refresh here. That changed to test@awesome.com. So I showed the name and password being changed, as well as email address, and trying to do a duplicate email address of one that already is in the system. I showed logging out and logging in after a password changed, and that it did change the hash. And so this completes my video presentation for Enhancement 7.